High in the tallest tree of the green forest, a mother bird named Aya lived with her baby chick, Kiki. Aya was known across the forest for her graceful flight and kind heart. Every morning, birds would gather to watch her dance in the sky like a feathered ribbon in the wind. Kiki, however, was different. He was small, quiet, and a little afraid. He loved to snuggle under his mother's wing and listen to the sound of her heartbeat. But most of all, he loved watching her fly. He dreamed of doing the same, soaring through the clouds and touching the sky, but when he looked down from their nest, his tiny legs trembled. One sunny morning, Aya looked at Kiki and said, "My sweet one, the time has come for you to fly." Kiki's eyes widened. "But Mama, what if I fall?" Aya smiled gently and pulled him close. "Falling is part of learning. You can't fly without trying." She showed him how to spread his wings, how to feel the wind beneath them. "The wind is your friend," she said. "It will hold you if you trust it. And I will always be near." Kiki climbed to the edge of the nest. He looked down at the grass far below, then at the sky above. "I'm scared," he whispered. Aya fluttered beside him. "It's okay to be scared. But don't let fear stop you. Every bird you see flying once stood where you stand now." Kiki took a deep breath. He spread his tiny wings. He closed his eyes. Then, he jumped. He dipped, tumbled, and fluttered wildly. For a moment, it felt like he would fall. But then, something changed. The wind caught him. His wings beat harder. He rose higher. "I'm flying," he chirped joyfully. Aya soared beside him, her eyes full of pride. "Yes, Kiki. You're flying." They glided through the air together, the wind playing music around them. Kiki laughed, not with fear, but with joy. When they landed on a lower branch, Kiki looked up at his mother. "Thank you for believing in me." Aya nuzzled him. "Always. Because inside you, Kiki, are wings of courage." From that day on, Kiki flew a little farther, a little higher, and a little braver each time, until one day, he danced in the sky just like his mother.